Welcome back, my fellow makers and phone fanatics. That's right, it's Black Friday. My annual Black Friday sale runs from Friday all the way through Cyber Monday. Click on the link, eviltedsmith.com. Go to my shop, do your shopping, and on checkout in the coupon box, type in Evil Friday 2022 to get your Black Friday sale price. Also, while you're there, you can see my Amazon link. Click on that as well if you're going to do some holiday shopping. It's around the corner. Start shopping for your friends and family. And by shopping through that link, helps me keep making videos. I want to wish everybody a happy holidays, and let's look forward to the year 2023. I'm looking forward to seeing more amazing cosplays from you guys. Catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel. Another great way you can show your support, you can pick up some of my merchandise on my Teespring shop.